Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 Haripriya.
Hi, sir. Sir, 1 minute. I'll be back.
Okay, okay, okay.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, Kanishka, I can hear you. Acha, in the last class, I have told you about what is conjugate hyperbola. I have taught you, na? Acha, you do not have any doubt, na? Kanishka, batao. Tell me. You have any doubt in conjugate hyperbola? Do you want me to
No,
revise it?
no, sir.
No, na? Okay. Then try to solve this question. Try to solve this. 6 plus 9, this question I have given that.
Yeah, the answer is 2. I don't know the option.
Answer is which one?
Option A2.
A2, na? एक मिनट. I think 2 is correct answer. Wait. Do you have this question with me or not? Yes, answer is 2.
I'm also getting 2.
Okay. Kanishka, are you getting 2 answer or you want me to solve?
Yes, sir. 2.
See, one more relation is there. Actually, they give you this one. This hyperbola, the given hyperbola is not a conjugate hyperbola. This is a normal one. Its eccentricity x square by 1 minus y square by 1 by 3 is equal to 1, because here what, a1 by 3 is equal to b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1 will be there. For its conjugate, what would be the relation? A square is equal to b square into e square minus 1. 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into e square. That only you would have done, no? 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to e square, e1 square. That e1 is equal to 2. But they actually give you the relation. One relation is there. When the normal hyperbola is this, whose eccentricity is hyperbola, eccentricity is e, and conjugate hyperbola of the same hyperbola, eccentricity is e1, then there is a relation 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square is equal to 1. That relation also you can use, but because solving was very easy, you won't be needing it. The formula that I gave you is kind of easy for you. Acha, let me give you one more question, then we'll proceed. Let's try to do this question quickly. You should be able to do it. It's not difficult for you. I don't know the answer for this. Okay, then I'll solve it. You keep on solving. I'll be solving it also. And let's check the answer. Two b is equal to 5e when distance between the foci is 2ae is equal to 13. B square is equal. It's very easy. what is this? 25 by 4 is equal to a square e square minus a square. 169 by 4 minus a square is equal to 25 by 4. A square will be equal to 169 by minus 25 by 4. 144 by 4, that is a is equal to 12 by 2, 6. A is 13. It is very easy. A is equal to 13 by 2. A is 6. 13 by 2. E is equal to 13 by 12. What happened? Did you solve it? You take it. Because I have solved it. Very easy.
Sir, I understood from your answer.
Solution.
Yes, sir.
You did not solve yourself.
Sir, I didn't, like, I don't remember the formula that way.
Okay. You should remember. These are the basic one. B square is equal to a square into a square minus 1. Okay, what about Haripriya and Kanishka?
I got it, sir.
Very good. Kanishka?
Sir, I did some calculation errors, so I'm correcting it. Some
Okay,
silly mistakes happened.
but method you understood, na? What method you will be
Yes, sir.
applying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Silly mistakes actually tend to happen. Ultimately, you have to reduce your silly mistakes, but you should understand the concept. And over the period, you should try to reduce your silly mistakes. That's all. Try to identify it and identify your silly mistake. If you're not able to identify it, send. Acha. Now, these are the basic kinds of hyperbola and the conjugate one, conjugate hyperbola. Now we are going to discuss that hyperbola whose center is not 0, 0. Center of hyperbola is alpha, beta. If the center of hyperbola is alpha, beta, like ellipse, you must have remembered that equation becomes x minus alpha whole square by a square minus y minus beta whole square by b square is equal to 1. Till b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1 holds. This part should be clear to you because this thing we have done in ellipse also. Right, Diva? Right, Haripriya? Kanishka? Okay. Now comes the part. Comes the part where you have to actually tell me the equations of everything. See, this will be our major axis and minor axis. What will happen is our hyperbola will be shifted to up with the center as alpha comma beta. Okay. Now what will be the equation of major axis?
Y equal to beta.
Very good. This time Diva is ready. Minor axis. Tell me. Anyone who knows the answer, just give me the answer.
X equal to alpha.
Very good. These two you have got. So, acha, the point A and A dash, what they will be? Now you tell me, Haripriya or Kanishka, tell me what should be the coordinates of capital A and A dash?
Alpha minus AE.
Why AE? This distance
No,
is A.
alpha minus A. Alpha minus A, comma beta.
A dash will be alpha minus A comma beta. A will be alpha plus A comma beta, right?
Yes.
Actually, there is no need to ask this one, the B and B dash, but let's find that also. Tell me B and B dash also. What's B and what's B dash?
Alpha comma plus or beta plus or minus B.
Very good. Okay, we have got A dash, B dash. Now give me the foci, S1 and S2. Anyone? Kanishka, tell me what should be the foci S1? Or anyone can tell, or Haripriya or Diva, who has the answer. Array. Why you are taking so
Where
much?
is it?
Alpha plus or minus A,
Yeah. Alpha plus A comma beta, alpha minus A comma beta. That's all. Tanishka, are you finding it difficult?
So I was just a bit confused. I was just thinking only.
But whatever I did, you are able to understand, na? It's not difficult for you.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
actually, you may not remember the previous formulas. That's why you're struggling. Acha, now can anyone tell me the equation of directrix? Both the directrix that we have. This distance is A by E. This distance is also A by E. Shouldn't it be x is equal to alpha plus A by E and x is equal to alpha minus A by E? So tell me the equation of lattice rectum. And also give me the ends P, P dash, Q, Q dash. The length I can tell you the length of lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by A. It remains same, it does not change.
so the ends of lattice rectum.
The ends of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum is also required. Also the ends of lattice rectum is also required.
It would be one will be alpha plus or minus A E comma beta plus or minus B square by A.
Equation will be x is equal to alpha plus AE and alpha minus AE. This is the equation. And now if we go for the P, P dash, P will be alpha plus AE comma beta plus B square by A. P dash will be alpha plus AE comma beta minus B square by A. Q will be alpha minus AE comma beta plus B square by A. Q dash will be alpha minus AE comma beta minus B square by A. Clear? So this is how we do it. Everything is done. These are all the things. You after the class just try to see how we are getting everything. If at all you get doubt, ask me. Acha. Do you remember the parametric point of ellipse? Anyone? No. See, in the ellipse we have x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Here we have to take some point which would be satisfy x y, which would be satisfying actually this equation y square x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So the point that we can take is x comma y is equal to a secant theta comma b tan theta, because this will be satisfying it. You won't find any other point, any other convenient point which would be satisfying. Okay. This is the parametric point. Clear? Now, okay. Now tell me the equation of tangent at x1 y1 to hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This you should be able to tell, because short trick you have been applying the short trick from circle, parabola to the ellipse. It's been 3 times we have applied this trick to find out the equation of tangent.
Just substituting x1.
Tell me quickly.
x1 by a square minus y by 1 by 2 square is equal to
This is the equation of tangent. Easy to find. Acha, on parametric point it will become what? On parametric point a secant theta, b tan theta, it will be easy na. Put x1 y1 as a secant theta, b tan theta, it will be x by a secant theta minus y by b tan theta equal to 1. Actually, the problem is I am forcing you to give the answer. And the problem, actually this examination, what it demands, the teacher should be minimally involved in solving the questions or in giving the answers. Actually, the students themselves, they should only take the hint and should be able to solve things themselves. That's the problem with this examination. And you don't want to give me answers. I'm forcing you to give the answers. can you tell me the equation of normal at x1, y1? For this, you have to do the derivation. You have to derive. First, you have to find out the slope of tangent, then slope of normal, and then using the point slope form, you have to find out the equation of normal at x1, y1. Give me the result that you are getting. Give me the equation that you are getting. This you have to do. Otherwise, how will you solve the question? Take your time and do it. I won't solve. I won't solve until you say, sir, we are not able to do it. If any one of you has told, will tell me, sir, we have done it and this is the result I'm getting, then only I'll solve it. Otherwise, you make a habit of not doing yourself. See, the equation you should be able to get is this. Wait 1 minute. You try to solve. Did you get it? I'm giving you some more time. Again, you took too much time. See, I'm doing it. From the equation, above equation, what will be the slope of tangent at x1, y1? It will be b square x1 by a square y1. Correct? x1 by a square and x1 by a square by y1 by b square. x1 by b square. हाँ ठीक है, okay. No, so the slope of normal will be negative of the reciprocal minus a square y1 by b square x1. So what would be the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to minus a square y1 by b square x1 into x minus x1. What equation they are trying to? A square x by x1, no? B square y by y1. So I'll divide the whole equation with b square by y1. Sorry, y1 by b square. B square by y1 I'll take to the left. B square y by y1 minus b square is equal to minus a square x by x1 plus a square we'll get. So a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. I'm getting. See, I have done this even though I was doing it very slowly. But what about you? Haripriya, did you do it? Diva?
I came only to y minus y1 is equal to minus a square.
Why? Why you guys are so slow? Increase your speed. Once you have, try to See, if you have this tangent equation, you have formed it. Slope you can easily find. If for ax plus by plus c, it is minus a by b. Like that, you find out the slope of this. Once you find out the slope, there is negative of the reciprocal. The equation m tangent into m normal is equal to minus 1. How much time will it take? Deva, what about you? Where you got stuck?
Sir, I couldn't get the right idea.
Hmm. What about you, Kanishka?
Sir, I was thinking how to solve. Oh, it took me time.
Actually, finding out the normal is the general method, basic method. First, you have to find out the slope of tangent. I have found out using this equation, but otherwise, I would have differentiated this equation to find out dy by dx. And then I must have put x as x1, y as y1, because slope at x1, y1 is dy by dx at x1, y1 gives me the slope of the tangent. Basic definition. After finding the slope, find out the slope of normal using this equation. Then use the point slope form equation, because you know the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus y. This is the general method to find out the equation of normal. And now I'll tell you the parametric also. This equation will be ax by secant theta plus by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Now you should go for solving one question. अच्छा, wait, let me select. Try to solve this one. The only 2 minutes are remaining. I need to solve it. See the
So
thing.
I'm getting the value of like sine theta should be -1, but there is no such option.
Let me see where we're getting it or not. The tangent is parallel to this. Okay. The tangent would be x by 2 secant phi minus y by 3 tan phi is equal to 1. What would be its slope? Minus secant phi by 2 minus tan phi by 3. So 3 by 2 sin phi. And it is given that this is parallel to this line, so this value should be equal to minus 3 by -1, so it should be 3. Means 1 by 2 sin phi, sorry, 3 by 2 sin phi should be equal to 3. So sin phi should be equal to half. Phi is equal to 30 degree. I'm getting the answer. Why you are not getting the answer? Let me check the answer. 30 degree is the answer. I don't know what is happening with you guys. This is so easy. And none of you are able to solve this question. Haripriya, you? Kanishka, what about you?
I did not use the parametric form.
It's given parametric. Otherwise, if you do not use the parametric form, then also you could have done like that, na? The equation of tangent is x1 by 4 minus y1 by 9 is equal to 1. x1 y1 is given to be 2 secant phi, comma 3 tan phi. Okay, then you'll get the same equation. Using that, you can find out the slope. Okay, don't worry, but try to practice and try to remember the formulas that I have given, because in the next class, I'll tell you the slope form and then we'll solve some more questions. Okay, let's end it then.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.